To other stories, the National Cohesion and Integration Commission, together with the European Centre for Electoral Support, have launched a Propeace project ahead of the August 9th elections. The project is aimed at promoting peaceful coexistence to avoid electoral conflicts. The European Centre for Electoral Support is collaborating with IEBC, where the NCIC will also promote national unity and facilitate equal opportunities in the society.
The partnership between ECES and the NCIC is born out of the realization that no one single institution can guarantee the peace and the prosperity of our people without seeking partnerships and synergies.
Efforts will be made to improve the capacity of communities to resist manipulation and shun perpetration of violence. Thirdly, we have trust building. Trust within a society as well as between the society and the state is a critical element in any democracy. Promotion within communities and between communities and state agencies remain critical.
So we're working with all of these actors, but primarily we're working with communities. We're looking at youth, we're looking at women, we're looking at people. And we ask partners to find ways to involve you, people, women, youth, as much as possible in understanding the electoral context better, to access information and to own the process better, especially when things get tense.
Now this week on E-News, we take a look at Diamond Platinum's elevation of engines and Ali Kiba's true definition of a prosperous love life. We also highlight